My name is Patty Nelson. I work at Chicago Volunteer Legal Services, and I have been here for close to 15 years. I am currently the director of both the Access to Justice program and the foreclosure mediation program. What we attempt to do is help people save their houses who are in foreclosure. We usually litigate about 200 cases a year. We take on 200 new cases a year. And in the mediation program, that just started last July, and we have had 1,200 appointments from the court since July. I grew up in the Chicago area in Glen Ellen, and I went to University of Illinois at Champaign for undergrad and to DePaul University for my law degree. I went to law school while working full-time, so I had a previous career in the business world, which I hated. It was very unfulfilling, and knew when I got out of law school that I definitely wanted to do something different with my life. And I actually started at CVLS right out of law school. So graduated and came here within a couple of months and have never looked back, really.
I've known Patty for quite a while. I was privileged enough to be involved in her hiring 14 years ago. That dates us both, I think. But at that time, she was a motivated young attorney, and it's actually inspirational now to see how focused and driven she is. I'm nominating Patty specifically for her work in the Access to Justice program, which she's taken from 25 cases per year to over 150 per year, and her work in the foreclosure mediation program, which accepts up to 12 cases per day.
The most rewarding part of this job is it's kind of hard to narrow down to one, so I'm going to have to go with two. There's the personal side of it in that CVLS is a fantastic place to work. And then, of course, there's the personal fulfillment part of it and working with my clients. It's certainly not the least stressful of jobs that I could pick. It's certainly not the highest paid of jobs that I could pick. But I wouldn't leave it for just about anything.
Patty's never one to be complacent or satisfied with being comfortable. She challenges the rest of the staff and strives to make CVLS and the rest of us the best that we can be.
I also feel a sense of responsibility to my community. I feel like I've been given a lot of advantages in life, certainly been given the tools to be able to become a lawyer and to do some good. And I feel pretty strongly that it's my responsibility to do something good with that.